Beneath one of the most beautiful national parks in the world lies one of the most dangerous forces on Earth. A supervolcano, large enough to change an entire continent. And it is still alive. This is Yellowstone National Park, located in the United States. A place mostly known for its stunning nature, geysers, and wildlife. Millions of people visit it every year, completely unaware of what lies directly beneath their feet. One of the most powerful geological systems on Earth. Deep underground lies a massive magma chamber, filled with molten rock under extreme pressure. Above it sits a giant collapsed crater, known as a caldera. Yellowstone has erupted before, not once, but multiple times. Over the past 2.1 million years, it has produced 3 massive super-eruptions. The last one happened around 640,000 years ago, and it was powerful enough to reshape the landscape we see today. The explosion was so powerful that it caused the ground above the magma chamber to collapse, forming the massive caldera that still defines the region. But the impact didn't stop there. Huge amounts of volcanic ash were blasted high into the atmosphere, spreading across vast parts of North America. This ash eventually settled over thousands of kilometers, covering entire regions in a thick layer of volcanic material. Even today, traces of that eruption can still be found, far beyond Yellowstone itself. What looks like a peaceful landscape now is actually the result of one of the most powerful volcanic events in Earth's history. So, what is a caldera, actually? It's not just a volcano, and it's definitely not what it looks like from above. A caldera forms after a massive eruption, when huge amounts of magma are released from deep underground. With so much material gone, the ground above loses its support, and slowly, it begins to collapse. What's left behind is a massive, basin-like structure stretching for tens of kilometers and containing millions of gallons of magma. But the story doesn't end with the collapse. After a caldera forms, the area doesn't just stay empty. Over time, new geological features begin to appear. Heat from the remaining magma below continues to rise toward the surface. This creates geysers, hot springs, and steaming vents, some of the most unique features on Earth. In Yellowstone, this is why the ground is still active today. Water seeps deep underground, gets heated by magma, and is forced back up to the surface. Today, Yellowstone looks peaceful, but beneath the surface, the Earth is still moving. Scientists record thousands of small earthquakes every year, and magma is still present deep underground. But the real question is, can it erupt again? Technically, a future eruption is possible, but extremely unlikely within our lifetime. In fact, the chances are so low that they are often compared to rare cosmic events. For example, the chance of a large asteroid hitting Earth is considered far more likely than a super-eruption at Yellowstone. But if it ever did happen, the impact would not be local, it would be global. The eruption would begin with massive explosions beneath the surface, followed by a collapse of the ground above the magma chamber. A gigantic ash cloud would rise into the atmosphere, spreading across thousands of kilometers. Ash in the atmosphere could block sunlight, leading to a drop in global temperatures and maybe even an ice age. However, scientists agree that this scenario is extremely unlikely. Still, it remains a reminder that beneath our feet, the Earth is alive, and some forces are far beyond human control.